Hello guys! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Han and Kai. So today's video, another trip with us as we celebrate my husband's special day because it's his birthday. So we decided to go in Pool in Krystall Palm Beach in Nuremberg. And while we're traveling that day, my husband's brother visit us as well here to celebrate and enjoy the day with us. My mother-in-law didn't make it. Only my brother-in-law kasi she have two dogs and she cannot left it alone. So this is my brother-in-law and the siblings are happy as we enjoy our day in Pool para makapag-relax din sila together. Sayang nga hindi nakasama si Mama HanKay kasi may dogs kasi. Pero kung sakali lang, nakasama din sana siya dyan and nakapag-enjoy din sana siya. But hopefully next time, we can go together as a family, as a whole family, diba? So this is the place here in Palm Beach. So this is the entrance of Krystall Palm Beach in Nuremberg. Ang dami nila guys swimming pool. Ang ganda dito. Sulit yung visit namin and yung swimming namin that day. So we decided na mag-swimming or book whole day para sulit na sulit. Dahil birthday ni Habi, siya ay free entrance. So he didn't pay. Or we didn't pay. Basta if it's your special day and you visit and you want to celebrate your birthday here, you are free entrance. So, me and his brother lang yung nagbayad ng entrance namin. So guys, kung gusto niyo malaman kung magkano yung entrance fee, you can go directly or check in the internet or Google. Type nyo lang Krystall Palm Beach, Nuremberg. Lalo na kung taga-bayan kayo or malapit kayo
Happy
sa
birthday! Birthday boy!
or family bonding, check nyo yung website nila. So you can find how much the entrance here. So yeah, dahil Saturday today, during that time ay hindi ko masyado na videohan or naipakita yung places dito kasi sobrang daming tao guys kasi Sabado yan. So karamihan dahil malamig, mas gusto nila yung indoor pool. Marami ang nagbanding na family at nagpunta dyan, kaya hindi ko na masyado napakita yung ibang swimming pool and yung area. Sobrang daming tao. Because it's my hubby's special days, of course I treat him today, and now it's lunchtime. I also treat his brother para naman, di ba, ma-feel nila yung relaxation today. So this is our food. So hindi nyo na guys kailangang magbaon kung wala na kayong time. They have a canteen here, a restaurant where you can buy your own food. But if nagtitipid kayo, lalo na kung big family kayo and you visit here, you can bring some of your food and wala namang charges guys. Just bring your own food if you are budgeting, diba? So now we are eating, enjoying our day. Sarap ng food namin guys.
I have tomato pa. Oo. Your favorite? The quality is good. You like your fried chicken? Happy. So happy. Do you like the fried rice? This one? Do you like this one? Ano to? Cheese inside?
Ya no, te quedé aquí. Ah, ¿de quién? Azul.
Purpose of this.
I would like to form.
So guys, clip lang yung iba kong pinakitang area dahil nga madaming tao during that day dahil Sabado. So, limit lang din yung mga area na napakita ko. Pero guys, ang daming indoor pool at saka outdoor pool. May mga activities din sila. So, yan kami ni Javi. Kapag ganyan sila. So, ako naman yung nag-record dito. Nag-slide yung magkapatid. Enjoy na enjoy sila. They feel like, again, they're young. Young by heart. Yan sila. Kasi papayata ni Brother Percy kaya. Sakit daw eh. Yan, ang cute nito guys. So, mula umaga hanggang gabi kami dyan guys. Ayan. So, may paganyan yung mga effect nila. May
Ganda.
wave pool din. Ayan. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next vlog. Hope you enjoyed today with us. Have a great day and cheers!